Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make iPhone announce caller name. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make your iPhone announce the caller's name when you receive a call, you can follow these steps. Firstly, tap on the settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Scroll down and tap on phone. Tap on announced calls. And here, you can choose when you want your iPhone to announce calls. Always, your iPhone will announce incoming calls, regardless of whether you're using headphones or not. Headphones and car. Your iPhone will announce calls when you're connected to headphones or a car Bluetooth system. Headphones only. Your iPhone will announce calls only when you're connected to headphones. So I choose always. Once enabled, your iPhone will announce the caller's name based on your chosen settings whenever you receive a call. This feature is particularly useful for hands-free operation or when your phone is out of reach. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.